Now we are going to start with the problem set 3. In this, the question is find the fourth term from the end. See, this question is little different. We have to find the fourth term from the end in an AP. That is what? Minus 11, comma minus 8, comma minus 5, dot 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 49. So what here? We are knowing what is the term 1. T1 is minus 11, T2 is minus 8, T3 is minus 5, and the last term, that is Tn, is 49. We are knowing it is an AP. So formula for D is what? T2 minus T1, that is what? Minus 8 minus bracket minus 11. So minus minus will become plus. So what will come? Minus 8 plus 11, that is equal to 3. Now the new formula, nth term from the end is equal to what? Tn minus inside the bracket n minus 1 into d. Now we want to find fourth term. So what will write? Fourth term from the end is equal to 49 minus. See, we wrote in place of n fourth. That is 4. So what will write in the bracket in place of n? Will write 4. So what will come? 49 minus bracket 4 minus 1 multiply by 3. So what will come? 49 minus 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3 multiply by 3. So what will come? 49 minus 9 is equal to 40. So the fourth term from the end is 40. Next question, in AP, the 10th term is 46. The 10th term is 46. The sum of the 5th and the 7th term is 52. We have to find the AP. For AP, we have to find the AP means what? We have to find term 1, term 2 and term 3. Okay. So what is given? First, 10th term, that is T10 is equal to 46. We know that the formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we just know the value of n. So what will write in place of n? 10. So what will get? T10 is equal to a plus 10 minus 1 into d. As we know T10, that is 10 term is 46. So in place of T10 will write 46 is equal to a plus 10 minus 1 is 9d. Getting all? So what we got? A plus 9d is equal to 46. Let's say this is equation number 1. Now similarly we will solve for 5th term, that is for T5, and 7th term, that is for T7. Now for T5, again we will write the same formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So what will come? T5 is equal to a plus 5 minus 1 into d. So T5 is equal to a plus 4d. Here T5 will remain the same because the value of T5 is not given. Let's say this is our equation number 2. Now similarly we will do for T7. So what we will get? T7 is equal to a plus 6d. What we will get? A plus 6d. Let's say this is equation number 3. Now what is given? The sum of 5th and 7th term is 52. That means if we add 5th term and 7th term, so the answer is 52. So what will come? T5 plus T7 is equal to, that value of T5 is what? A plus 4d, and the value of T7 is what? A plus 6d. So what will come? A plus 4d plus a plus 6d. Okay. Now we are knowing when we'll add T5 and T7 will get 52. So in place of T5 plus T7 we'll write 52 is equal to 2 times a came, so we'll write 2a, and 4d plus 6d is what? 10d. As we can see, they all are the multiple of 2. So we can do dividing by 2. Each number will be half. That is what? Half of 52, 26. Half of 2 is 1 or nothing, you can write. And plus half of 10 is what? 5d. So the another equation is what? 26 is equal to a plus 5d, or you can write in the other way, that is what? A plus 5d is equal to 26. Now we'll take equation 1 and equation 4. We'll solve this simultaneously. As you are knowing how to solve, okay, after solving this you will get the value of a and d. Okay, after getting the value of a and d, you will find T1, T2 and T3. So you will get the AP. So next question, in an AP the first term is minus 5 and the last term is 45. The sum of all the numbers or terms in an AP is 120. Okay, so we have to find how many terms are there and the common difference. So what here first term is given, that is a, or we can say t1 is equal to what, minus 5. Last term is tn, that is equal to 45, and sum of all the terms means sn is equal to 120. We have to find n, that is number of terms, and the common difference. We know that the formula of Sn, I told you all earlier, we have two formulas of Sn. One is the basic formula and another one was the derived formula. So what it is, Sn is equal to n upon 2 inside the bracket t1 plus tn. We know the value of Sn, that is 120. So what we will do, in place of Sn we'll write 120 is equal to n upon 2 inside the bracket the value of t1 as well as the value of tn, that is what, minus 5 plus 45. So what will come, 120 is equal to n upon 2 into 40. Okay, now this 40 can be cancelled by 2, so 2 20s are 40. So what will come, 120 is equal to 20 multiplied by n. If we'll take 20 on the other side of equal, it will become divide. So 120 divided by 20 will be what, 6. So n equal to what, 6. So there are total how many terms, 6 terms. Now we got the number of terms. Now we want to find the value of d. So for finding the value of d, we'll apply the formula of Tn. That is what? Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Here in place of Tn we'll put 45. In place of a we'll put minus 5. And in place of n we'll put 6. Okay. So by solving this expression you will get the value of d. Getting all? So this part you will do by yourself. Now the next question is, we have to divide 207 in 3 parts such that all the parts are in AP, and out of that 3 parts, product of the 2 smaller parts will be what, 4 6 2 3. So here we don't know that all 3 parts, so we'll assume what are that all 3 parts. So let 3 parts of 207 that are in AP be what, a minus d, a and a plus d. We did earlier this one. Okay. Now what, according to the first condition, we divided 207 in 3 parts. So what if we'll add all 3 parts, so we'll get answer as 207. So we can say sum of all 3 parts is 207. So what will come, a minus d plus a plus d is equal to 207. In this given line, if we'll check, so d is repeating twice with the opposite sign, gets cancelled. So what will remain, 3 times a, that is 3a is equal to 207. Now what we'll do, we'll take 3 on the other side of equal. So what we'll get, a is equal to 207 upon 3. If we'll divide 207 by 3, we'll get answer as 69. So a is equal to what, 69. Let's say this is equation number 1. Now according to the second condition, product of 2 smaller part is 4 6 2 3. Okay, so if we'll see all 3 parts, that is a minus d, a and a plus d. So we can clearly say that a minus d and a both are smaller than a plus d. So the 2 smaller parts are what, a minus d and a. So what we'll write, a minus d multiply by a. Why? Because product is given. Product means what, to multiply. So we'll multiply both the smaller parts, that is a minus d into a is equal to 4 6 2 3. As we know, the value of a is 69. So wherever a will come, there will write 69. So what will come, 69 minus d multiply by again 69 is equal to 4 6 2 3. Now we'll take 69 on the other side of equal. So what we'll get, 69 minus d is equal to 4 6 2 3 upon 69. If we'll divide 69 4 6 2 3 by 69, so we'll get 67 as answer. So what will come? 69 minus D is equal to 67. Here we'll do the adjustment, that is like term together, that is constant number together. So what we'll get? D is equal to 69 minus 67. So D is equal to what? 2. Now we got the value of A as well as we got the value of D. Now we can find the three terms, that is A minus D, A and A plus D. So A minus D is equal to what? 69 minus 2 is equal to 67. A is equal to, we are knowing 69, and A plus D is equal to what? 69 plus 2 is equal to 71. So the three parts are what? 67, 69 and 71. Now in this question there are 37 terms in an AP. The sum of three terms placed exactly at the middle is 225, and the sum of last three terms is 429. Write the AP. We want to find the AP. That means we want to find term number 1, term number 2, term number 3 and so on. So we'll finally just three terms, that is T1, T2 and T3. Now first what we'll do? First we'll find the three terms which are placed exactly at the middle. First we'll find the middle term. So how many terms are there? 37. So the middle term is equal to what? 37 plus 1 whole upon 2. So we'll get 38 upon 2. The half of 38 is what? 19. So this is the middle term. 19 term is the middle term. Now we want three terms which is placed exactly at the middle. So what we'll do? We'll take one term before 19 and one term after 19. That is 18 and 20. So 18th, 19th and 20th terms are placed exactly in the middle of the sequence. Now the condition is what? According to the first condition, sum of the three terms is 225. That is T18 plus T19 plus T20 is equal to 225. Now as we are knowing, Tn is equal to what? A plus n minus 1 into D. Just here we are knowing the value of n. So what we'll write? A plus 18 minus 1 into D. In place of n we will write 18. Then for T19 we will write what? A plus 19 minus 1 into D. And for T20 what we'll write? A plus 20 minus 1 into D. So what we'll get? A plus 17D, A plus 18D and A plus 19D is equal to 225. So we can see here simply 3 times A is repeating. So we'll write 3A. And if we'll add 17, 18 and 19D, so we'll get 54D is equal to 225. This is first condition over. Now what is the second condition? Sum of last three terms. You can simply guess what are the last three terms? 35th, 36th and 37th term. So if we'll add T35 plus T36 plus T37, so our answer will be what? 429. So what we'll write? T35 plus T36 plus T37 is equal to 429. Now you can simply find the next step. Okay, you can follow the same what I did over here. Same step you will follow. So you will get equation number 2. Then solve 1 and 2 simultaneously. You will get the value of A and the value of D. Then you will find T1 which is equal to A. Then what you will do? For T2 you will write what? T1 plus D. And for T3 you will write what? T2 plus D. So your AP is the value of T1 comma the value of T2 comma the value of T3 comma dot dot dot. You will get your answer. Thank you.